Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and we've just finished a 4-ounce Maine lobster tail, and we used the broiling setting on the oven. And about 4 minutes into the cooking process, I pulled this tail out and we drizzled it with some more clarified butter. We used some at the very beginning, some in the middle, and now we've got a finished product 4 minutes after we did the midway cooking. So about 9 minutes total as far as the total cook time on this guy goes. And we've got a nice white color. The meat is cooked all the way through. It's still got some glisten to it, so it stayed moist. We've got a nice pretty red lobster tail too, which kind of makes a really nice table presentation as far as that goes. So again, we did this start to finish inside this saute pan. So we're going to go ahead and just pull him out and put him on the plate. Nice and steamy there. So that is the finished product. Now, if you so choose, you could actually raise the rack inside the oven so that you get a golden brown texture on the outside, but you have to be very careful because that only takes about a minute or a fraction of a minute depending on how hot your oven is. So if you want to get that broiled texture, you can do that. For today's intents and purposes, I just wanted to show you a basic no frills approach to doing this, and we've got a nice pretty lobster tail and it's done and ready to eat.